Hey everybody, it's Brooke. I have popped on to share a very fun giant happy mail that I received from my sweet friend Laura at LaughingDogsBookNook. Laura is not only an amazing friend, she's incredibly talented and creative, and I will be sure to link both her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop down below. Go check her out if you haven't already, because she is awesome. So Laura told me before I opened the box to be careful that she forgot to put my card in and had just slipped it in under the tape. I did go ahead and cut open the tape before I started recording because no one wants to watch me use a pointy object. But I did, Laura, I saved the card. It was not harmed in the opening of this box. So I'm just going to set that aside for later on. And let's see what is in this. Oh, you guys, things. Look at the things. I think I will pull stuff out and set it aside. Oh my goodness. This is lumpy and mysterious. Just going to set it aside so that I can get the box off my desk. Look at that. Laura's recycling her used envelopes. She's green. Laura, you're crazy. Look at all this beautiful stuff. Look at this, you guys. Crinkly muslin. And it's this beautiful shade of pink. Laura, did you avocado dye? You clever lady. I love how it looks, but I'm way too lazy for that business. So I just depend on the kindness of strangers and friends to get my avocado dyed goodness. Oh, look at this, you guys. Yep, you may want to bop on over to Laura's shop to see if she has some of this available, because it's gorgeous. It looks a little yellow on the camera, but it is a really pretty pale, kind of creamy pink. And there's muslin, and then there's crinkle gauze. Oh, thank you, Laura. Oh, look at this. This will leave great threads and, oh, vintage. It's got some stains on it, which I love. It's been loved and used, and it will continue to be. So that is super fun. Thank you, my darling. I'll put that aside. Let's peek in here. Feels bookish. Laughing Dogs Book Nook. What do we have? Wuthering Heights. Get out. Look at this book, you guys. Oh, look at the cover, and it's Wuthering Heights. Laura, this is gorgeous. 1943 in absolutely fabulous condition. Look at the foxing and the speckling along the edges there. And the pages are gorgeous. It's got the double columns of text, which is really unusual, and I love it. And the paper is like it is absolutely brand new. And there are terrifying woodcut images, and now I'm having nightmares, so we'll just turn that. This book is fabulous. I feel a perfect size journal coming on. Thank you, Laura. I love it. Love it. Putting that in my pile of goodness. All right, and we've got another thing that feels kind of bookish. Laura, you're too sweet. You spoil me, girl. Oh, get out of town. Another. This one is Jane Eyre. Look at that, you guys. Oh, and it's all ready to be made into a journal. It was begging to become a journal. And it's just the perfect size and the perfect paper quality. Oh my. Laura, you have exquisite taste. Just absolutely exquisite. Yep, and again, the two columns of text and this beautiful font. Oh, I love everything about these books, Laura. Thank you so much. Look at that cover. And the back is equally beautiful. Oh, yep, I feel some journals coming on. Yes, I do. And just because, you know, she didn't spoil me enough, here's a whole another bag of goodness. And look at this cute, it's packing tape, but it's Christmas. I was hoping to save it, but it's also incredibly sticky. Can you guys see that? It's got cute little ornaments and stockings, and it's just adorable. It was all over the outside, too. I loved it. All right, everyone step away. Step away. This is mine. We're not sharing. I'll show it to you, but you can't have any. Are you ready? Are you ready? Haha! Blueberry Newtons! They can go right in my little snack area over there because I might have eaten all the lemon cookies I had. Oh, Laura, you're evil. And so sweet. If you guys have not tried these, I'm telling you, I've told you before. Blueberry Newtons, way to go. Oh, no. Oh, you didn't, you guys. The other bane of my existence that I love so much. Peanut M&Ms. Laura Zachary, you are the bomb, girl. Thank you so much. So in love. Ugh, I almost like the books better than the snacks. No, I do like the books better than the snacks. You are so sweet, and I'm so excited, and I'm thinking that, man, there's some creepy baby book pictures in here. Yep. Yes, I am, because these are some creepy pictures. Laura, thank you so much. You are so sweet, and I love you. And again, you guys, make sure you all run over to Laura's shop. Check out whatever delicious goodness she has over there, because she just does beautiful work and tends to find some very nice fabrics. So check down below, LaughingDogsBookNook, and thanks for joining me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Click like, click subscribe, ding the little bell, and you'll get notified when I go on again. You never know what I'm going to get up to next. And I love you guys. I'm hoping that you're having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.